A major railway project under the Belt and Road Initiative has entered final phase of construction in Bangladesh. The Putney Bridge Railway Link project has been implemented in 3 sections. A track laying ceremony was held for the last section of the project from Bangla to Jessore on Saturday.
This project is very much important for the Bangladesh Railway. The rail track is started from Dhaka to Jessore, 172 kilometers. And the duration of the project estimated to be, it will be completed by next year. We hope that in time, that is next year, June, the whole project will be completed. And now we are laying down the track started from Bhanga to Jessore. The Chinese company, CREC, is a very reputed company, and their work is very much satisfactory.
When completed, the rail link will connect the capital Dhaka with more than 20 districts in the south of the country and cut the travel time from Dhaka to Jessore from 10 hours to 2 hours. It will also be a vital channel that connects the Trans-Asian Railway network, boosting regional connectivity and economic development.